Now the board is working fine. Now we are going to assemble it to the desktop CPU. We are going to assemble it to the cabinet. Okay. This is the cabinet. Eyeball cabinet. This is. This is for the base. Before fixing the board, need to be check the screws where it will fix. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws has to be fixed. Here is already fixed built in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. One screw has been missed, I think so. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. I will check it out. 1 second. Here one screw is missed. Nothing to worry. We will make this one extra bit will be given. We need to be fix it. First, you need to be fix the motherboard panel. It is. Now the panel has been fixed. Now we are going to install the board. Before installing the board, we need to fix this here because there is no screw bit here. like this need to fix. Now we will try it whether is it be fixed in the proper way or not. Yes, now it will fix in the proper way. Okay. Okay. Before fixing this, first you need to be whatever the connectors is there, you need to be connected. Otherwise, very tough to reconnect the connectors in the board after the system has been assembled. This is the USB and UHD audio is there. You need to click this USB 1 and USB 2 option is there here. First one is USB 1 and second is USB 2. This is USB 1, USB 2. USB 1. This is the USB 1. You need to connect this to USB 1, and this one is HD audio. It is. This is HD audio. HD audio means here there is a F audio is there na front audio. Need to connect it like this. After this, go to the front panel. Power switch, power LED option is there. In this cabinet there is no restart option. That's why we don't have an option to connect the restart option. Power switch, here they mentioned here power switch. The same power switch connector need to be connected like this. Power switch and then power LED. Power LED, HD LED, reset. Power LED. This is the power LED. Plus should be come in the left side. Like this need to connect. Plus and minus. Yes. Now the power LED and power switch has been connected. Okay. Now we are going to fix it. See the screws. Okay, one more fan connector is there. Fan should be connected to here. Okay, and then 24 pin ATX connector should be here. Okay, and then go for the P4 connector. P4 connector should be connected here. Now the system has been assembled. Now we are going to switch on the computer. That's it. Okay. Now the system has been assembled completely. Now we are going to switch on the system. First you switch on the power, and then turn the switch on the power. Yes. Now the system is running properly. Need to wait for the display. Yes. Now the display also coming. Finally we got the display. Now there is no Windows in this system. You can go for the Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation. You can proceed it. That's it. Thank you.